guys, I want to show you how the peaches grow here. Yeah, you can see on this side, those are the peaches tree, and on the other side is a big farm. Yeah, it's coming, another farm here. The weather is good, it's too hot over here. But, you know, we have to do this together. Let's show you guys how the farm is. Look at this, all of this. That's a peaches farm. Say fruit in California, that's what we eat. You can see those are avocados. This is avocado farm over here. You can see the avocados both sides. So you never go wrong when you plan to come and visit California. It's all kind of fruits you need to eat.